Hello, hi. Thank you so much for joining this session. Thank you. So I know it's a busy time, it's traffic time. Everyone is busy with something else. And coming from work, they are busy with household things. So thank you so much again for taking this time to join us in this session. Well, my name is Pumzile Skonela. I'm going to be sharing with you today on how you can also make extra income from a home-based business. This is just information I'm sharing with everyone so they can be able to make better choices. They can be able to have better information, more information about the choices that they want to make about their lives and their family's life. So thank you so much again for joining me in this session. As I have said, my name is Pumzile Skonela. I am a stay-at-home mom of three kids. I am a wife. I am also a forever business owner. For being a forever business owner is when you have your own business, you present your own business to people, you also market your own business in your own special way to other people. Thank you so much. I am also a business coach. Being a coach, I have people who I share my skills with, who I share my experience with about being in the business. I also share with them on how they can also grow in personal growth or even with the financial. I have built my life through this business. I have been in this business for a while now. It has really taught me some things. I have built it from the pressures that I have been through. As before I joined this business, I was in debt. I wasn't someone who liked talking to people. I wasn't someone who liked interacting with people. So through this business, I have learned to grow on myself, and also in the environment. I have allowed myself to grow with the environment that I am in. So that's how I feel comfortable, and I feel like I am still growing and I am still going to experience more while I am doing this business. The business that I'm talking about is a multi-level, it's part of a multi-level marketing. Multi-level marketing is part of a network marketing where you simply share products with other people, you move the product, you display the product to people, and you sell the product to other people. When selling the product, you have to know more about the benefits of the product. You also have to know more about the benefits of the network marketing that you are busy with. There are no shops when you are in network marketing. There's only your who you are is your shop. What you do is your shop. There's no big advertising, there's no billboards, there's no TV. You do your advertising the way that you want to do your advertising it. You grow your business the way you like your business to grow. People get paid for sales and team growth. That's how you get paid in network marketing. There's no other way for you to earn except by selling the product and also sharing the business with other people and growing your team. When you grow your team, that's how you earn. That's how people get to make a lot of money in network marketing. They make a lot of money by selling the products and also recruiting people to join their team. So for those who think that multi-level marketing is a scam, those are the people who are doing it wrong. You're doing it wrong if you expect to just buy the product and not advertise the product and not talk to people and not get out and discuss the benefits of the business with other people. You have to go out there, you have to meet new people, you also have to share what you know from the business. That means you also need to be close to the person who helped you into the business and learn more from that person, and also learn how you can also grow. If you are not willing to grow in multi-level marketing, it's going to be difficult for you to make money, and you will be one of those people who say in multi-level marketing is for this kind of people. Multi-level marketing is a scam because you have been doing it wrong. That's how you get to think it is a scam. A few reasons why people do fail when they are doing in network marketing. Most people fail because they don't want to do the work. They start something without understanding the business. You need to understand the business that you're getting into. You need to know how the business was started, who started the business, how do you do the business, and how do you get to make money in the business. You can't start something and expect to make money from something you don't even understand. Without understanding, it's also going to be difficult for you to share with other people the benefits of that product. It's going to be difficult for you to share why you are in that product, or why you are in that business, why you are in that marketing platform, because people need to also learn from you. They need to also hear from you what you are doing, why you are in the business. So if you can't explain and you can't share with other people why, you can't share with other people the benefits, then it's going to be more difficult for you to grow your team, to recruit people. Another reason why other people fail, it's because they expect quick money. People just want to buy the product, they don't want to do anything. While in network marketing, you have to be willing to work, you have to be willing to put yourself out there, you have to be willing to learn and do what they are teaching you to do. You don't just come in and say, I'm going to be earning 10,000 because I've just joined this month. That's not how it goes. You need to know that it is a process. It needs for you to be consistent. It needs for you to be patient while you're still doing the work, while you're still learning, while you're still also sharing with other people, while you're still talking to people, while you're still using the product, while you're still in the process saying, I am one day going to be doing this and earning this much. Most people don't stay long enough for them to see the process, to stay enough for the whole process to see the progress. You need to be patient enough to know that at least give yourself 3 years, 3 to 5 years, saying, I am going to be doing this, whether I see results now or not, but I am going to be doing this for a long while so I can be able to say I gave it my all. In that 3 to 5 years, you also need to be doing the work. You can't be just sitting and not doing anything in for 3 years and saying I did the business and it's not for me. That's not how it works. Another reason why people fail, they have no clear reason of starting, which is very important, because without having a reason, it's very hard for you to keep on going. It's very hard for you to, because everything has to be, you have to have a root, you have to have your why. Your why is the only thing that will keep you going. With a business, it's not always roses and flowers or sunshines or something like that. In business, there are bad days, there are hard times, there are days where you want to give up. But if you have a purpose on what you want to achieve, if you have a reason on what you want to do, you keep on going, because your purpose, you know that one day it's all going to pay off. If you don't have a purpose, if you don't have a reason, then your success, you won't be able to imagine it. You need to imagine your success. You need to be able to imagine that in 5 years I'm going to be moved from this point where I am, and I will be in the next level in my life. Because if you don't have a purpose, it's going to be difficult for you to vision yourself in a better level than you are now. So you just need to know that To succeed in multi-level marketing, you need the first thing you need to do is to start. Starting means taking a decision, making a decision, and planning how you're going to be how you're going to make your decision come to life, how you're going to make your dreams come to life, planning on what you want to achieve and planning on how to achieve what you want. You have to do the same thing every day. You have to do the same thing every month, every week until you succeed, until you get them or you reach the goal that you want. That's how multi-level marketing is. It's like doing the same thing every day while you are pushing for success. Because we're all here, we're looking for success. We're all here, we're looking for something better. That's how we got to multi-level marketing. I have my why. As I've said, without the why, it's very difficult for you to be able to do anything. You need to have your why. Your why is your fuel. Your why is the thing that's very important for you, that's very close to your heart, which will keep on pushing you no matter how hard it gets, no matter how you feel like how you feel like now to this time I'm going to give up. Your why is the only thing that will push you. For me, my why is my kids. They are very important to me. They are very close to my heart. They are the reason why I'm always trying every day. They are the reason why I'm not going to give up, because in my heart, I want to give them the soft life that I know they deserve. So they are the why for everything that I do. The importance of having a why is when motivation fades, your why keeps you going. Without a why, you won't wake up or do anything. You won't be able to face any hardships. You won't be able to face any negative feedbacks from people. You won't be able to also stand up for your business because your why is not strong enough. You need to have your why and stand with your why, because it will keep you strong. It will keep you going even when you don't feel like it. So your why, it can be different from mine. As I said, my why is my kids. Your why can be maybe you're looking for financial freedom. Your why can be you looking for time with your kids. You're looking for time with your family. Your why can be family security, to help you be able to provide to your family. Your why can be your debt, can be debt freedom. So we have different reasons why we join the business, but the same thing that we're looking for is to keep is the same thing that we're looking for must have the reason that it must have a hard reason for us to keep us going, because your why is the reason why you join, and it's going to be the reason why you achieve what you want to achieve in this business. It's going to help you also move levels. It's going to help you also grow, and it's going to help you be able to learn and give yourself time and be patient on yourself, because you know that nothing happens in just there's nothing like quick results. Everything takes time, so you need to also understand that. And if your why is strong enough, it's going to give you a great route for you to know that I have to be patient and I have to be consistent with myself to achieve what I want to achieve. The business that I'm in, what that I'm talking about, is in Forever Living. In Forever Living, we don't just sell products, we solve everyday problems, which means we don't sell the product, we share the benefits of the product. That's how we get to make money in the business. There are a lot of people struggling with low energy, poor digestive system, or even weak immune systems. That's how we get to share the benefits of the product, because everyone or everyone who suffers from low energy, poor digestive systems, or even weak immune systems, they all need something to boost that. And aloe does that to everyone who drinks it or everyone who takes it. Aloe supports the body from the inside out, which helps people feel good and also look good. No one wants to say, I don't need anything to boost my immune system. We all need something to boost our immune system, and we all need something to help us also feel good. So aloe, that's how great it is. There's other customers everywhere. Everyone is looking for something to boost their immune system. So that's how you get to target your market. It's a daily use product, which means your customers comes back to you every day. It's simple product, but with real results. We are all using it, and we all love the results. So we share the benefits of the products that we are using. What is Forever? Forever Living is a network marketing business opportunity which helps create extra income by selling high quality products. Yes, our products, they are high quality, and they are helpful for everyone. People get involved in Forever in for one of four main reasons. It's either financial reasons, personal reasons, flexibility, or products. As I have said before, we all join the business because of different reasons, but all our aim is to grow in the business financially and even personally. Our Forever is a world leader in aloe products, which means Forever Living owns Aloe Farms manufacturing. So we do control our quality. It operates in over 160 countries, which makes it easier for anyone to recruit in any of those 160 countries. If you have anyone who's in any of those countries, you can recruit them. You can also share with them the benefits of the business if they are willing to, if they are interested in joining. This is a trusted brand which people already believe in, and a lot of people are using it. So you can feel comfortable with sharing what Forever does for you and what the products are doing for you, because most people trust the products and they already know it. That's how great the business is. There are only four things that we do in this business. We do just four things. As a car, most cars has four wheels. We drive to drive your business. You need to do number one, use the product. When you use the product, you get to know more about the product, and you get to be able to share the benefits of the product, because most people want to see on you what the product does. Most people want to hear from the first time experience what the product does. So that's how you get to share real results and also real experience by using the product yourself to help you also boost your customer base. Number two, what you do in the business, we share the product. Sharing the products, that's when you people notice the difference, people notice the benefits from you using the product, and you share with them what you have been doing, what you have been using, and they also like to feel better. They also like to earn money. That's when people decide that maybe I like to join, or maybe I like to use the product. That's when you sell the product. When you sell the product, you also get to make money by selling the product and having a profit. People buy products they already need and use every month. So you're going to be getting returning customers for the product every month when you share with them what the benefits of the products are. Number three, what we do in this business, we build teams. When building a team, that's when you have someone who's also been watching you, who's also been seeing what you have been doing in the business, while you using the products, you selling the products, and also you having money from using the products and selling them. That's how people get interested, and they ask you, how can I also make my own money like you are doing? That's when you build a team, you share with them the benefits of the product, you share with them how they can also grow in the business, how they can also get the profits that you're getting. When you build your team, you register your team under you, and you share with them how you have been selling, and you share with them that they also need to use the product for them to also be able to share what the product benefits are. Number 4, what we do is coach our team. When you join the business, when you are building your team, you don't just let someone join in your team, you also share with them how to also make money. You also share with them how they can also make money, and how they can succeed in the business like you have been doing. They use the product, they share the product, and they also earn money by selling the product. And you also train them how to share the benefits of the product, so they can also build their own teams. You don't just let someone join and leave them like that. You let someone join in your team, and you show them how to also grow their own team, how to also make money like you have been making money in the business. We have a case credit system, which is a forever living global point system in the business. We use this system as a because Forever is in over 160 countries. We can't be all be using that current each country's currency. We have one currency which we all use under the Forever Living umbrella, which are case credit. We also call them MACC. Case credits are Forever Living's global point system. It measures your growth, your sales. It's used for promotions, bonuses, and international tracking. Whether you're in South Africa, the UK, the USA, 4CC remains the same everywhere. So that's how we get to communicate. When you are in America and I am in South Africa, when I'm talking about the 1CC, there's that person will be able to recognize what I'm talking about, because we are talking about the same currency under the same umbrella. How do we accumulate these CCs? You can accumulate CC by buying the product to use, buying the product to sell, and also recruiting. Those are the 3 ways you can accumulate CCs. It's very important to accumulate the CCs, because your growth in the business, it is measured by the CCs that you accumulate each month. The minimum requirement in the Forever Living umbrella for you as a business owner is 4 CCs a month. So you recruit, retail, and use the product for you to be able to accumulate that minimum requirement, which is the 4 CC per month. This is the Forever Living marketing plan. Our marketing plan is as it stands here, with the wonderful colorful colors. The red dot is the Forever preferred customers. Everyone starts here where they become a Forever preferred customer in the red dots. Then we have an assistant supervisor. Next it is supervisor. We have assistant supervisor and e-manager. All these different levels, you can accumulate them just by, you can level up, you can reach those levels just by accumulating the required CCs for each level. For forever preferred customers, that's how you start. That's your first stock that you buy in the business. You get 5% when buying that stock. That's why this is a red dot. We don't stay long in that red dot. The next level is the assistant supervisor. To be an assistant supervisor, you need to accumulate 2 CCs in 2 months, and you become an assistant supervisor, and you become a full member in the business, where you get 5%, you get more than 5% discount. It's 30% discount in when you are a assistant supervisor. The person who shared with you this video will also explain more on how on each levels and each percentage on the levels. The next level is a supervisor. Supervisor is where you get a 38% discount when you are buying products. With a supervisor, to be a supervisor, you need to accumulate at least 10 CCs in 1 month. Then you become a supervisor in the business. Then you get more than 30% when you are buying products. The next level is assistant manager. To be an assistant manager, you need to accumulate at least 60 CCs in 2 months. You get 43% discount when you are buying products. When you are assistant manager, my apologies. The next level is the manager level, which is the level that everyone is fighting for, which is the level that everyone is going for. As soon as you join the business, make sure that you jump on to be a manager, and you discuss with the person who shared with you this video that you want to be a manager in the business as soon as possible. To be a manager in the business, you need to do at least 120 CCs in 2 months or 150 CCs in 4 months. Then you get 48% discount when you are buying products as a manager in the business. As I have said, the person who shared with you this video will be sharing more information on the different levels that we have in the business for you to be able to understand how to get to manager, because the most important thing for everyone is to get to manager. How do we join the business? If you are ready, you want to start your business, this is how you can start the business. You can be a half member in the business with a minimum of 1,650. Buying the product with that amount will give you the start to your business. This product will help you start, and you can be able to work with the person who introduced you to this business, and make sure that you also get to full member. You can be a full member by just buying the box of 7,400, where you get to be an assistant supervisor instantly. You also get 30% discount when buying products, and you will get a pay slip when you do your 4 CCs in every month. That's when we get we get pay slips in the business. You also get bonuses when you are a full member. So even if you join with E 1,650, please discuss with the person who introduced you in this business on how I can also be able to level up and get to E assistant supervisor, because that's where you get to start earning money, and you get to be more, to have a pay slip in the business. To register in the business, you don't need any experience. We don't need any monthly fees. You can work part-time or you can do it full-time, depending on what works for you. There are people who do it part-time, there are people who do it full-time. So you just choose what works for you, and you go with that. Discuss with the person who introduced you to this business on how you can do your registration. It doesn't take too much. You just need your ID, a picture of your ID or your passport. You need a proof of your bank account, and you need the payment of your first stock for you to get your first stock and start working in the business, so you can also start earning. how do we make money in the business? We have a great formula which works in the business, and it works for a lot of people. With If Forever, you build around your life instead of it. What do I mean when I say that? You can do If Forever as part-time, or you can do it as something that's something you do full-time. We all can earn as much as we want, depending on how hard we work in the business, whether you're doing it full time or you're doing it part time. But you can earn any amount that you want to earn. As you can see this in this example, they have made an example with our signature product, which is the aloe vera gel. When you are a full member in the business, when selling a bottle of aloe vera gel, you get a profit of 175 rand 16 cents. That is the profit that you get when selling one bottle a day. Then you decide to sell 2 bottles a day, then your profit will be 350 rand 0.32 cents. That's the profit you get from selling 2 bottles a day. When you decide to sell those bottles for 5 days, Monday to Friday, your profit will be 1,751 rand 60. If you continue with that routine and sell those bottles every day, or Monday to Friday for 4 weeks, your profit in 4 weeks will be 7,006 rand 40 cents, which when you get a profit of 7,000, you have already accumulated 4 CCs. As I have mentioned earlier, that the case credits are a minimum case credit that you can accumulate is 4 CC, which means you have already accumulated the minimum requirements for your business in Forever. When someone sees you doing this routine, this system, and sees that it's working for you, and they say, I also want to get 7,000 profits for myself, how do I do that? You share with them how they can also earn that profit, how they can also join the business and make money from themselves. And they decide also to join, and they join with a box of 7,400. As soon as they join, within 10 days of them joining the business, the company gives you 25% preferred customer profit, which is from the company saying thank you for growing your team, for sharing the business with other people. The company thanks you with that amount, 1,693. On the 15th, the company also gives you a boost bonus of 5%, which is 1,354 rand and 54 cents. That is just a boost bonus for being 4CC active in the business. When someone joins under you in your business, you also accumulate the same CCs that the person is joining with. So when you have someone joining with Epoxy Tumo for 7,400, you also accumulate the 2 CCs which comes with them joining the business, which means for that month you will have accumulated 6.8 CCs for that month, and your total income would have been 10,000 and 54.39, which you would have accumulated for that month just for selling bottles of aloe, and also having one person join in your team. Then the company also thanking you for being able to accumulate 4 CCs in that month. So that's how you get to make money in the business. When someone asks you how to make money in the business, we make money by selling every day and by also recruiting to grow our team in the business. The Forever benefits or Forever incentives, we have 3 trips which we have every year in the business. Whether you are traveling with your friends, with your family, or anyone forever allows you to travel and also enjoy a fully paid trip to anywhere in the world. There are always different locations with which they choose. You get to enjoy. Even your partner it also gets to enjoy the fully paid trips that you get that you can also achieve you can also achieve by accumulating the required CCs for that trip. As long as the qualification period is open, you can qualify to go to any of these trips, or you can qualify to go to all of them. It's all up to you which one you prefer or which one you choose to go and enjoy with your plus one. We also have a Forever to Drive, where the company also gives you an extra amount of money for you. It's not just an income. This is an add-on to all of them things you have achieved, to all of the benefits, to all of the other monies that you would have gotten from the business. And now they say thank you. If you want to go buy a car, you can buy a car. If you want to pay school fees for your kids, you can do that. If you want to renovate your house, you can, anything that you want to do, you can do with your money. With the money, this is just an add-on for 3 years. For 36 months, the company gives you this amount straight in your bank account. What you do with it is up to you. To receive this amount, you need to also qualify by accumulating a certain number of CCs, you and your team that you work for. So you can also qualify to get, in level 1 you get 7,000 per month extra. In level 2 you get 10,500 per month extra. Level 3 is 14,000 per month extra, all in your bank account. You work towards the level that you want to achieve with your team, and you get that extra amount in your bank account every month for 36 months. For me, if Forever wasn't only about money. Yes, I joined because I needed money. I joined because I needed the extra income. But I have learned so much about myself since I have joined. I have grown so much that it's hard for me to say that I'm just here for the money. I'm not here for the money. I'm not here just to say I'm doing extra income. Forever has been my life for a while now. It has been my bread and butter for a while. As I have said when I joined, I honestly thought it's just about making extra income. It gave me confidence. I started believing in myself again. It taught me skills I never thought I'd have. I really didn't think I'll be talking to people. I really didn't think I'll be sharing with other people. It gave me time flexibility. For me, as a stay-at-home mom, I'm now able to navigate between my extra income job and my family, because as a full-time worker, it's hard to navigate the two. But more than anything, it gave me a community. It gave me people who support me, and they also help me grow. Even though I feel like I have reached my limits, they show me that I can still do better. So if you have been thinking of starting something, or you have been watching from the sideline, this could be a sign. I'm telling you, it really could be a sign to change something about you. The truth is, Forever changed me before it even paid me. I got to experience a new version of myself before I even experienced money from Forever, which for me that's very powerful. It's something I never thought would happen. Who is this for? People may ask. This business is for anyone who need extra income. You need extra income, you need time flexibility, you need something to keep you going. If forever will do that for you. It's also for people who are willing to learn, people who are willing to work consistently. If you have dreams you want to achieve, this business is for you. As soon as you join, what do we get? You get full training. As soon as you decide that I want to do this business, you get full training, you get mentorship, you even get team support. There's a whole team, there's a whole community of strong women who are looking to support you, who are ready to share with you on how to grow. We have a proven system in Forever which works for everyone. It's not for certain people, it's not for this kind of people, it works for everyone. You just have to be willing to work, you just have to be willing to learn and be open-minded as soon as you join this business, because it's going to give you a different view in everything that you thought you knew, in the experience that you thought you knew, but you are never left alone. You just have to be open with what you want to achieve, and everyone helps you to achieve your goals, which is very important. Because as I've said before, your why is the only thing that's going to push you. If you share your why, we are going to be able to remind you, that's the support we have, that you still have to reach your goal. So the support never fades away, because we are all looking for everyone to achieve, for everyone to grow in this business. Forever Living didn't promise me easy. That's another reason why I didn't want to join, because I wanted something easy. But as we grow, we learn that easy doesn't pay. It wasn't an overnight success and definitely wasn't smooth all the time. But what it did give me was a chance. I got a chance to try something different, which I'm really enjoying now. A system to follow, which is working for everyone. And honestly, a community that kept me going even days that I felt like giving up. That's why I say we have a community support. As soon as you join, you are part of the community, which will help you also grow in this business. And the truth is, I just had to do the work, but I kept on showing up. As long as you do the work, as long as you show up and you are consistent, things slowly change in your life, as it has changed for me, because I did the work and my life began to change. That's how I am thankful of Eve Forever. So if you are feeling tired, or you're feeling the financial pressure, you are carrying, maybe you have debt, you are depending on one income, and I know how stressful it is to be depending on one income. If it is stressing you, depending on one income is stressing you, or you just want something new, or maybe you know that you are looking for something better, something different, this could be your starting point. It really could be. Just be open and talk to the person who introduced you in the business. I'm sure they are looking for you to also to have the time freedom, and also to be stress free, because depending on one income, it is very stressful. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for having the time to stay through the end. It really means so much to me. I know we are busy, we are doing this and that, but thank you so much. I am looking forward to welcoming you into this business, and please do thank the person who shared with you this information, because they really are interested in seeing you grow. They are interested in also seeing you live a stress-free life without having money stress or debt, or even having stress that there's nothing else you want to do with your life, being stuck. So if you're feeling you're stuck, if you're feeling you need something extra, something different in your life, then please do talk to the person who shared with you this opportunity, so you can start something great and start something different. As I have written here, permit yourself to change your mind when something is no longer working for you. If you feel like you're stuck or you feel like something is not working, please give something else a chance, something new, something different. And who knows, you might enjoy it. You might really enjoy it. So, thank you again for joining. I am really hoping that you are also going to be joining our family really soon.